Yeah, hi everyone. So what I'm about to do is unbox what they call a Evercross, that's the make, and it's a hoverboard go-kart adjustable frame. You can get this in a couple of different colour styles, and it comes nicely boxed up. I've got it here boxed up, and you've got all the pieces, the bolts. Everything's nicely wrapped up. You've got the seat. Now look at that. Wow, look at that. That is a nice, cool seat. And what else have we got? We've got obviously some frame parts. Got more parts in here. Alright. It's quite heavy, which is good because obviously it's for your child. You've got the steering front wheel. You'll need to obviously get the hoverboard to make it work. You've got the levers, I believe, and we've got some, I think that's the flag. There's a flag that goes on it. So anyway, so that comes nicely boxed up, and so what I shall do is I'm going to put it together and then I'll come back and show you. I don't think you need to see me putting it together. It's not going to be too hard. Anyway, I shall give it a go and I shall come back and show you the rest of it when it's all together. Right, so I've now managed to put the seats onto the adjustable frame. So the adjustable frame, basically you unscrew this centre screw here, and depending on the size, so it will come out to a maximum like that. So it's quite, I mean, that's great for an adult, definitely. Or if you've got a little child, it'll go right in and it'll go to there. And the way it's designed, it will securely lock in. So that's that. You've got the wheel, which is nice and sturdy, nice quality wheel. And you've got the handlebars, again, good, nice grip. The metal frame's definitely heavy. Now on the back of it, right, so obviously this is for the hoverboard. So I haven't got a hoverboard, so what will happen is when you get your hoverboard, you'll have to obviously attach the hoverboard, and you've got, for the left and the right of this, you've got the two sections here with a real strong, very, very heavy duty fixing, and that will fix onto your hoverboard for steering. There's also some more straps that come with it. Again, very, very good quality. There's 4 more straps. There's some bolts I've got and some more gaskets, and everything's very, very good quality. I've got the instruction manual for it, and also you've got the parts. So that's all the parts that came with it, and it's all described on the back. And you've got a flagpole as well. Yeah, there's a flag. So this is pretty cool. Evercross flag. So you've got a nice big flagpole. There's another section, and you've got another piece here. So obviously, yes, I haven't got the hoverboard, but this is really, really nice. It's a nice quality. The seat's very nice and sturdy, and it's obviously, you know, that's safe. I mean, my grandson would love this, and like I say, you need the hoverboard, and then you can obviously get it completely up and running, and even us adults can have some fun. I think it's pretty good value, to be honest. Comes nicely boxed up. I love it. I think it's great. I love the colours. There is different versions. Anyway, I will put the Amazon link up. Thanks for watching my video.